Hi Putam.
Hi, Ma.
What are you doing, Apchi?
I am coloring yellow things.
Which are they?
Lemon, banana.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Tomorrow yellow color is there.
Yes, Ma.
Hmm.
I show my teacher.
You show this to your teacher na?
Yes.
Very good. Do it.
Yes.
Tell me that yellow color song, Puta.
I like yellow. 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 Sun is yellow. Sunflower is yellow. Mango is yellow. Banana is yellow. Prawn is yellow. Man, lemon is yellow. W-E.
What? Spelling ah.
Huh.
YELLOW.
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 Okay, do that. Which standard you are?
LKG.
LKG. Okay. Your school name?
Sri Krishna Primary School, Navalgund.
Okay. Who is your best friend?
Bushra and Anya.
Busra and Anaya. Very good. Yes, do.
Nisama.
Finish.
Finish.
What is the color of that leaf, ma?
Green.
Green. Yes, very good. Finish.
Yes, ma.
Okay.
Finish, ma.
Next one. Next one is
I am coloring.
what is?
Banana.
Okay, okay.
You know banana?
Yes, I know, ma. Yes, do that.
This no.
Big one.
Hmm?
Big one, no?
This is small.
Yes.
And this is big. This is small. So I am.
How many bananas are there, ma'am? There.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, mummy. There is only three. Here one, here two, here three. What?
No, eat finish, ma.
Finish.
Yes.
Okay. You write that spelling, lemon spelling and banana spelling. They here you write lemon spelling and here you write banana spelling. Okay.
Yes.
What is that? Lemon, na?
Lemon.
Yes, right. Lemon.
Y.
Lemon.
L-E-M.
O-N.
M-O-N.
Lemon.
Lemon.
Okay. Here it is banana. B-A-N-A-N-A.
B-A.
N-A. N-A.
N-A-D.
Again N-A. Very good. Yes. Show me that properly. Hey, this is ulta. Keep properly. Yes, like this. Yes. Yes, show me. Very good. Show me your face, Puta. Yes. Super. How is it?
You super.
These two are super. Okay.
These two.
Good, good. Tomorrow you show this to your ma'am. Okay.
Yes.